Hi, I'm Tom, and in this video I will show you how to install DWG import and export option into your FreeCAD installation. By default, if you try to import DWG file, the default FreeCAD installation only enables you to import and export DXF files. So to make life a little bit easier, I will show you how to install the DWG import options. I'm using FreeCAD 0.21, so things may change in the future, and I will show only how to install DWG import on Windows machines. There are four options how to install DWG import to FreeCAD. First one is using the ODA file converter. Second one is LibreDWG library, which is free open source. ODA file converter is free, but it's shareware. It's not open source software. And you can also use commercial tools such as QCAD Pro or CAD Exchanger. In this video, I will only show how to install ODA file converter and LibreDWG. So first, let's go to the ODA DWG-DXF converter. Link will be in the description box below, or you can use the links from the great FreeCAD documentation. So here at the ODA converter, I will go to the Linux download, I will go to the Windows download and download the file and just install the converter. It's basically a standalone application. And after I install it, I think you need to restart FreeCAD. I'm not sure about that, but now if I import my DWG, you can see that the ODA importer runs in the background and the file, the geometry is imported. So now you can see I've got all my lines as shapes and I can work with them in FreeCAD. And the origin was placed correctly right here, whereas my original DWG file has the origin right here. This is the dash line. The dash line, it shows as a standard continuous line in FreeCAD. If the DWG import didn't work, you can go to Preferences and under Import Export, go to DWG, and the conversion method, it's set to automatic. You can set the ODA converter, and this should find the installed ODA converter. All of the settings of the DWG import are set here under the DXF import, because basically the tool is only transferring DWG to DXF in the background, and then FreeCAD is importing it as standard DXF. So now let's take a look at the LibreDWG import. In my limited testing, I had better experience with ODA file converter, but you might find that LibreDWG works better for you, or if you are a free open source junkie, you would want to use LibreDWG. So on the LibreDWG webpage, we will go for the Windows releases. We will click to the GitHub. Link will be in the description box below. And here, I think it's still in beta. Yep, so these are pre-releases, and I will drop down here assets and download the Win64 zip file. So I will click on it and save as, and save it to my documents. And once it's downloaded, I will go to Documents, and here I will extract the zip file into a folder, where inside of this folder all of the executables are located. And now back in FreeCAD, I will delete all this geometry. So I've got just my plain document, and here I will go to Preferences and to DWG import. And if I choose LibreDWG, I have to select the path to file converter. So I click here, go to my documents, go to the folder, and select DWG to DXF. It's asking me for folder, but if I select just the folder, it doesn't let me to select it, so I select this executable. So now LibreDWG DWG import is set, so I hit OK. And as I stated before, I had better experience in my limited testing with the ODA converter, because if I try to import my simple house that I previously imported with the ODA converter, it doesn't, the LibreDWG importer doesn't convert it or import it correctly. Not sure why, but with some other files, with this second house, I had better experience. You can see that here it got imported. So your mileage may vary. Okay, so let me switch to DWG to ODA converter back there. And now let's take a look at DWG export, where the important thing to note is that the import, both the import and export, only works with 2D geometry, not 3D geometry. So if I have the 3D geometry in my DWG or DXF file, and I try to import this DWG into my FreeCAD, the DWG box file, the import goes okay, but it doesn't import the 3D geometry. Also with the export, the DWG export works too. So if I have in FreeCAD, I've got some wires. I've got wire, but it's filled with area, the circle, and I've got an extrusion. If I export these, to export them, I have to select them and export. If I export them to DWG, I will name it unnamed. Okay. Now if I open this unnamed file in the DWG editor, you can see that the lines are exported. The circle is exported, but not the face. If I change the shading to shades of gray, the face is not exported, and the same goes for the solid. It's exported only as lines. So the 3D import export does not work. It's the DWG and DXF is only for 2D elements. So that's it for the installation of the DWG import. This is not a comprehensive DWG import tutorial, but just few pointers that I came upon. First of all, the settings, as I said, is the same for DXF and DWG. You can see here that by default all the lines are imported as simple shapes, and I usually want to group them. The only option that FreeCAD enables me is to group them by layer. In the import export options, I go to DXF, and most of these I found out don't work. I'm not sure if they are only for legacy importer or I'm doing something wrong. Not sure about that. But what I find is useful is to group layers into blocks. And if I select this and now I import the simple house, you can see that all the lines that were on one layer are grouped into one FreeCAD object, and you can now work with it independently of others. What I also found that importing dimension and text doesn't work very well. So if I delete this again and go to the preferences, you can select if you want to import texts and dimensions, points, layouts. But if I import now the simple house, you can see that it should look like this. The dimensions are okay, the texts are here, etc. But in FreeCAD, some of the texts are okay, but some of the dimensions are not well imported, so your mileage may vary. And what's a little bit off, I don't know how to turn this off, it's also importing the layouts here at the user coordinate system 0.0. So this is only what should have been in layout. This is my layout geometry. Don't know why it is importing it. So this is texts and dimensions. So mainly it's usable for the basic geometry. So this is it from me about the DWG import to FreeCAD. I hope it was helpful and I'll see you in the next one.